The next topic which we are going to see is motivation. Motivation in the context of personality refers to the internal drives and factors that influence how individuals behave, make decisions, and pursue goals, all of which are shaped by their underlying personality. Personality plays a significant role in determining what motivates a person and how they respond to different motivational stimuli. Understanding the relationship between motivation and personality helps explain why individuals are motivated by different factors and how they sustain to lose motivation in various contexts. Motivation is the word derived from the word motive, which means needs, desires, wants, or drives within the individuals. It is a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish the goals. In the work of goal context, the psychological factors stimulating the people's behavior can be desire for money, success, recognition, job satisfaction, teamwork, etc. The process of motivation consists of three stages: a felt need or drive, a stimuli in which needs have to be aroused, where needs are satisfied, the satisfaction or accomplishment of goals. Therefore, we can say that motivation is a psychological phenomena which mean needs and wants of the individuals have to be tackled by framing an incentive plan. Our motivation is more valuable commodity multiplied by action. Its values fluctuates with how we invest our attention. Why is it that we are all born with limitless potential, yet few people fulfill those possibilities? Now we can see the definition of motivation. According to Woodworth, motivation is the state of the individual which disposes him to certain behaviors for seeking goal. Concepts linking motivation and personality: self-determination theory, achievement motivation, big five personality traits and motivation, approaches versus avoidance motivation, expectancy value theory, locus of control, goal orientation theory, self-efficacy, intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation, motivation and emotional stability. Primary, basic, or psychological needs. It includes food, water, sleep, sex, etc. These needs arise about basic psychological of life, and these are important for survival and preservation of species. Secondary needs. They represent need of the mind and spirit. For example, self-esteem, sense of duty, self-assertion, etc. Intrinsic and extrinsic motivation: autonomy, learning, belonging, mastery, curiosity, meaning, love belongs to intrinsic motivation. Extrinsic motivation includes badges, competition, fear of failure, fear of punishment, gold star, money, points, rewards, etc. Intrinsic motivation: the natural tendency to seek out and conquer challenges as we pursue personal interest and exercise capabilities. When we are intrinsically motivated, we do not need incentives or punishment because the activity itself is rewarding. On the other hand, if we do something in order to earn a grade, avoid punishment, or for some other reasons that has very little to do with the task itself, then it is known as intrinsic motivation. Four general approaches of motivation: behavioristic motivation, humanistic approach to motivation, Maslow's hierarchy or need motivation, cognitive approaches to motivation. Behavioristic approach to motivation. According to the behavioral view, the motivation depends on the incentives and rewards present in the environment. A reward is an attractive object or event supplied as a consequence of a particular behavior. An incentive is an object or event that encourages or discourages behavior. If a person is consistently reinforced for certain behavior, then she may develop habits or tendencies to act in a certain way. Providing grades, stars, stickers, and other reinforcements for learning or demerits for misbehavior is an attempt to motivate students by extrinsic means of incentives, rewards, and punishments. Humanistic approaches of motivation. In the early 1970s, Carl Rogers, one of the proponents of